嗯，我靠，这不能放3台手机的吗？
可以的。
到时候再说吧。怎么还不能开始吗？可以啊。Hello。哟。没有啊，已经解锁了这个。
又上错了吗？
没有。开始录。
又上错了，
下错单了，因为当时是你给我的。
那等一下。可以的。
不要直接。
可以说2句。
Hello, everybody. Can you hear us? Welcome to Guangzhou Northside Digital Product Company. For our live stream today, KK and I, JC, will be hosting for this live stream show. So we are going to show you some technical alignment for our PE3 for this printer. So your printing effects will be amazing, you know. So let's get some samples here.
不是，不知道为什么我这个该死的，刚好今天可以啊，刚好现在他给我要我更新软件，一定要更新，不更新还不行，奇了怪了。
So this is a really beautifully printed picture on a wood, a piece of wood. It's for furniture or something like that. Anyway, in order to get to these effects, we have to do a line.
对呀，我这鬼呢，知道吗？
之前不是哦，昨天都还在用啊。
早上还在用啊。
没办法，是要下载。
你帮忙看一下这个哪里？
你直播。
Color, white, and the varnish. The 3 pads, if they print on the same place, then the effects will be on the same.
那个小一点的螺丝刀可以借用一下吗？啊，在哪里啊？
is a sales engineer. I'm a technician, post sales technician. And now also a host here. We are trying to show you how to do alignments on one of the more top sell model. So can you guys see us now?
Yes. 有2个已经开始了。
Okay, so let's if you guys have any questions, please our message on our platform. We are hosting at the same time in Alibaba, YouTube, and what else? And this
two channel is Alibaba, YouTube.
2 YouTube channels and 1 Alibaba channel. So we're doing 3 channels at the same time today. So that's why we have so many mics, right? So many microphones.
可以的。
Live stream broadcasting at the same time. So now, if you guys have any questions, you can leave a message. And now it's KK's time.
Okay, and thanks my colleague Jesse. He has give some background information about the about our live stream today. Actually, let me suggest again. We have some customers who want to see how to do the alignment for the printer on this printer. This is one of our hottest sale model. Before we get started, let me suggest one point, because some customer has the wonder that you are the manufacturer of the printer and you needed our customers to do the alignment for the printer on site. So some customers wonder, some customer is angry. Actually, I have some customers angry before, and they don't understand why they need to do the alignment for the printer and on site by themselves. Actually, let's get it correct. Actually, let's get it correct. We don't need to do all the alignment for the printer. Actually, just the alignment of the print head. We need to make sure that the print head is installed correct. Later, I will explain to you why. And we need to make sure that the color white and the varnish aligned correct, so that it will be able to print the color white and the varnish at the same position. This is very important. It matters with the printing quality. That's why we need to do by yourself. And the customer asked why we don't do it before before the shipment. Actually, if you follow our videos, you will see that we do a lot of the alignment before we produce the machine for the raw materials, and we do some inspections and alignments for the printer during the production of the printer, and before we do the shipment, we also will do the whole inspection for the printer, the alignment included. But for the print head, for the print head we cannot do. Why? Because the print head we ship to you must be the totally brand new one. If we do the alignment, we must install the inks into the ink supply system. Even we use the outside ink supply system, we still need to put the inks into the print head. If we do that, it's gonna to be the second-hand print heads, right? So what will happen? The shipment is gonna take at least 1 or 2 months, and when you receive the print head, they must be totally blocked. That's why we cannot do it. And you just need to do the height alignment. This is today's point. So I'm going to lead you guys to show you how to do the head alignment.
All right. But we need to get closer because they will see the.
First we some customers will also wonder which one should do first, and the second one, we have one driver. 可以过来喽，可以帮我拿近一下。Yes. 看得到吗？
看不清，
看不清吗？
就是
再近一点，再近一点，没事。对，有点反光。
Can you see the A2 clearly, everybody? If you can see, please leave a message. You can see there are 2 friends in our live stream room. Welcome, everybody. Welcome to Guangzhou Loza Digital Product Company. We are doing this.
Let's get back to our point that when you receive the machine, we will give you the driver. This is the one that you need to follow to do the alignments. You see, there has the alignment part here. The first one you need to do is the vertical line. This one is happy to print out the lines and to see if we install the print head straight or not. If no, we need to align the print head. And second, for all these, the CVH distance, it means used to align the color and the varnish on the horizontal direction. This one used to align the color and the white on the horizontal direction. As for this one, WCV distance and the WVV distance. This one means you used to align the color, the white and the color on the vertical direction, and this used to align the white, the varnish on the vertical direction. Once you do this all, it's almost done, and later it's left and right align. This is very easy, and sometimes you don't even need to do it. As for the step alignment, actually for this one, it's just the step alignment. The parameter matters, but when you receive the machine, you can ask about the sales or the engineer about the step alignment parameter. They will give to you. You don't need to do it to this one by yourself.
And also, one point I want to add is before the factory our factory ship out these products.
痛麻纸有，痛麻纸，
通把子，
对，
稍等一下。
给我2张，要不多拿几张吧。
So usually, as sales technician, post sales technician, we don't, because in the factory we already done this. So if the numbers didn't change or didn't change to 0, then most of the time you don't have to change anything here. Yeah. So for stepping alignment, I have been serving as a technician to go out to customers in China to numbers are already there. So let's get back to KK. Because this part already done for the in the factory before we ship out. So usually as a technician we go out, we don't change this part. But whatever KK just said, we have to do it. Yeah, we have to do it. Usually don't think it too complicated. It just takes some time. Take like 1 or 2 hours will be fine. If you first do it, you might not be that fast. 1 or 2 hours.
It's not complicated. You just need to learn, because it's the machine. It's not the. I cannot say the machine is very easy. You can just have it and use it. No, you cannot do it. But it's not very complicated. And what you need to do just learn, follow our engineers' videos or the manuals and learn. Today we just show you guys on site to give you more good vision. And now let's get it started.
Right.
Go back to the printer now.
Where's the light?
No.
And before you going to do the alignment, you need to prepare two screwdrivers, the big one and the small one, all in our accessories bag, and also some big papers, some big size papers need to put on the table, and you can prepare 1 or 2 pieces transparent film or the transparent glass or acrylic, which will help you to see the white or varnish.
Yeah, they are good to see through the transparent material.
As I said, that the point is to align the print head. So in order to align the print head more better, we need to take out this cover first. Let's turn off the machine. It's if you don't know, if you don't know how to remove this cover, you can follow our videos. We have the very detailed video to do it. Just 3 or 4 screws.
1, 2, 3. remember we keep the screws here. Now we slightly take it out. Exactly, just like what PK was doing. Slowly take it out.
It's easy, don't worry.
Done it before, right?
Yes, many times.
He's very experienced.
And now we should put the paper on the table. And for the paper, we should make sure that it's totally flat.
So we need to tape it on the table. Okay. So once we tape it, make sure it's not popping up to hit the print head. Let me do this one. Yeah, we use tape to tape it, so make sure the paper is flat.
Now it's okay. We need to.
Turn it back on.
Yes. We need to turn on the machine again.
Okay, we turn the total power on.
Hmm?
Total power back on. So when it's turning on, you it's all designed program by the engineers and programs. So always remember after the initializing process is done, then we adjust the print height. You want to do the print height part or let me do it?
No need to. Now first we do the vertical alignment.
Yeah, but
vertical one.
You adjust the print height, right?
Yes, of course. Sorry, I forgot about this one. We move the cut out and adjust the print height by eyes, of course. It's about 2 to 3 millimeters height.
So we push left to the car to come out, and then we push down.
If you have no idea about 2 to 3 millimeter, you just think about one coin. It's the thickness of one coin. You can also move the cart on the. You can move the cart left and right, and move the table front or back to check if the print head is okay or not, and to see if anything will hit the print head. It's very important when you. It's very important when you print the products, because sometimes your products might not at the same height.
Make sure
it's okay now.
Yeah, it's adjusted now. Now we can come push the assets to come back.
It's okay now.
Yeah, it's about 2 millimeters height to the paper.
Now I'm going to print from the driver. For this part, no need to show you. No problem. No need to show you. I show you before. It's a vertical line, and it's going to print. Come close. Let's come close.有关了它吗？关了它吗？关了。要啊。
看不清楚。哦，不用了，不用了。好，现在看得清楚一点。 Can you guys see the different lines here?
The vertical. Oh, wait.
这个要
这个要回到锁定的这个。
没事，我把摇一下就好了。
OK，
非常明显。
拿下来。
拿下来了。
Let me show you guys. Actually, we have print two sets of the lines. This one is are already aligned, so we cannot see. But here is the.
Here is the middle, yeah.
Yes, and this is the first set of line, and this is the second set of line. We must see if the print head not installed straight, the second set of the lines will go to left or go to right side. We must align the print head according to the lines we printed. 放过去了。For this part, I have the draft to show you. You see this one? If the lines go to the left, first, second, third, you see when it go to the back side, it go to the left, which means the print head is tilt like this. In that case, we need to adjust the print head on the clockwise direction.
This is very good graph for you to like change it. So
and if the lines go to the left side,
these two are the same, but it's okay. They understand. You can imagine this second line. You can imagine the lines here goes this way or this way like that. That means it's the same thing.
If the lines go to left side, if the lines go to the left side, it means we need to adjust the print height on the anti-clockwise direction. I will show you how to adjust the print head. 拿下来的时候没有仔细看这个图。
有一张，因为有一次我以为没打到。
没事，来继续。
打了2次有一。
Can we show them how?
Yes, I will show both together.
Maybe hold the phone like this is better than because
可以啊。
但是我还没说。
Let's just hold it. Do you need help? Yeah. So,
Let me use usually for the varnish and white head, no need to do it. Because for the varnish and the white head, the has a little bit, almost has no space to adjust the direction of the print head. But for the color one, we have more space. That's why usually we just adjust the direction of the white print head, the color print head. You see, there has 4 screws on the print head.
yep. 4 screws.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We use these 4 screws to adjust. Sorry. We use these 4 screws to secure the print head on the plate table. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the back side of the print head.
Yes, those are the 4. Yeah.
We must lose the screws a little bit, just a little bit. Don't lose the.
You don't need to lose too much.
Yes, and you see for.
There are 2 customers here.
And you see for there has 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. This one just you just loosen this one a little bit. These two matters. Why? Because You just imagine if we want to adjust the printhead on the clockwise direction, you must do it in this way, right?
Yeah, exactly.
I just show you how to do it, but you don't need to do just too much. Just when we do it on the clockwise direction, this one we need to we need to tighten this screw to put it inside a little bit, right?
Yes.
And for this screw, we need to loosen it a little bit, so that the printhead will be able to adjust on the clockwise direction.
Clockwise, yeah.
And when you need to adjust the printhead on the anti-clockwise, print again, adjust again. Just remember, once you adjust the what did I say that? Just a reminder, once you adjust the printhead, no matter on the clockwise or anti-clockwise direction, after you doing this, you must secure the screws again. Screw, which means you need to save the direction that you have adjusted, and then you print the lines, vertical lines again, and loosen the screws again, adjust again. Then you need to.
Okay, just one more thing to add.
Yes.
I remember half a year ago when I was a new technician.
Yes.
When I was doing this vertical alignment, it took me like 5 times to get it aligned.
It's it's normal. It's normal. You are not so lucky. You're not so lucky to do it to the one time. You just remember that you can only adjust a little bit because there's only have a little bit space for the mold.
Yeah.
As for the white one, almost no need to do it. But if
alignments for our Alibaba and sometimes Instagram or Facebook. So hope you guys can enjoy our shoe show. Now we are going to hook our phone back in here. So before the reason why we call a phone call by kind of easier for us to show you. So now it's pretty much, if you understand how to do the vertical alignment, the rest are the same. The rest is pretty much the same thing. Our manual show explain to you how to just correctly and how to create better. So now let's get back to KK's second introduction. First part, it takes back and forth about, for me, like even I have training, I still do it like 6 or 7 times sometimes just to get it straight. So it really takes a lot of patience. So it's not complicated, it just takes patience. Right?
Yes. Now let's go to the other alignment. First, let's do the color and white on the horizontal direction. The CWH distance. It's the same. Just press the button and print something out. And later we will show you how to check it. It's going to print now.
Oh, okay. You might be able to use the few minutes. Alright?
Yeah.
Color white, spin it like this.
It's the color white horizontal. Let's move it.
Yeah, let me move this table. Let's move, we call it table or platform or bed, whatever you like to. So you have to find the one matching everyone. Yeah, so because this one we already aligned it, so
可能还有点拿下来。
it's very straight.
哎，算，一直拿下来吧。
If you go to the other ones, you can see the white
来
color, they'll come out of there. Yeah, let's take it out because you cannot see clearly.
关了它。
Afternoon time. Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Guangzhou Luochai Digital Product live stream. We are going to show you how to do alignment. So now we are doing the second alignment, which is color and white alignment.
不要这样拿，别人看不到。不是这样，是这样。
Okay, you see it.
You see, we print out some lines, and also have some it's a little bit hard to see, but a little bit hard to see from the video. But let me show you how to check which number, which parameter you should use. Yeah. It will print out some lines, and for example, for this one, each side has 2 lines, the left one and the right one. 有这个东西根本看不清啊，怎么打成这个样子？
白色很难看，能看得到了。比如说你看到这里的话，可以看到白色。So you can see the white on -6 is coming out to the right. So and the color one is right here. So actually you can see however this paper is white, so it's really hard to see, but you can test on your site with your machine.
没事，拿着它，拿掉它，帮忙拿掉它，搞个透明膜。
Yeah, we can use the film transparent to see the color and white alignment. Sometimes we just put it on the table, you know. Sometimes we just put it on the table.
有时候透明的也难看。
Yes, it's always a tricky part to see it because the camera cannot show everything on the view effects about what we painted. So sometimes it's difficult to show you, man. But we are trying our best to show you how this alignment is done to better make your printing effects better. So better to make you have the best printing effects.
Now let me print again.
You can see the field color white. So now we push the suction. So then you cover the stuck your film to not hit the printer. So now we pull the platform and table out. Take a look at the color wire alignment. Yes, let's take a look. Yeah, you can see better with the film. You need you use a platform. Platform will be
没，拿掉它，别放这里也行。
platform will be oh yeah, this is a dark. We need a dark background. The color white alignment. Can you guys see it?
要有个灰色的背景才行。麻烦事儿。等一下。
We are going to show you how to do alignment. Okay. Your host today will be KK and JC. Maybe we can use a piano, I guess.
那里可能看完就没了，那里可能也看不了啊。
Maybe better. I don't know.
你看。
Oh, you can see the white, but you cannot see the color.
是不是
Yeah, you can see the white really clearly. But the color is hard.
We need to have a great
Oh, this one is okay. Okay.
就这样吧。
So now it's quite good to see. You can see the middle black one is the color, and these two are the white. So now we can see the zero right here. Check out the zero and see whether it's clear, straight or not. If not straight, you go to see the negative part or the positive part to see which part has the most straight lines, and with the color and the white. If they are straight together, then this is the one you should choose. If this one is not zero, the most straight one is not zero. It's like +1. Then you put +1, add 1 on your A2. Yeah.
Okay. This part I'm gonna let you check by yourself because it's harder to see from the video. But when you print out, you will see for both lines it will print one line, white one white lines, and another color lines. It's not black or it's gray, but you can see when you print on the film, you just need to choose the one that color and white match with the color. Sorry. You just need to choose the one that color matches with the white lines exactly good, and then choose its parameter, choose the parameter under it.
Yes.
For example, it's -2. Then you just adjust the numbers
by -2.
Yes. This is the point.
It's actually taking a lot of time. It's not that difficult. Don't worry about it. But they think it's too hard. They don't understand it. If they understand it, then it's not difficult at all. They just kind of feel.
It cannot see now. Even cannot see now. Today's point is we print it out, and today's point is some customers print this out, but they don't know how to adjust it. They are worried about the lines and don't know how to see it.
True.
But if you know the principle, then it's easy to do adjust.
Yeah. You need to learn the principle. It's not that difficult. Every time I go out to help customers, their operators or the customers, they would think it's too complicated. It's not that complicated. You just have to do it one time, then you know.
And then let's do it another time, another one. The color.
Now we are doing
the color varnish.
Horizontal distance.
Yes.
Let's take it. Okay. So if you pull the platform out here, it will just print on the platform. It's okay.
不用看那里，按回去，
You can see here.
搞回去了。
You still have a line with the color and the white.
搞回去了，等打到这里了， 有没有看不清了？ 其实很简单，是打了2条线，
Yes.
加上那一条就行了。
So we can push the field back and print it on the field to better see it. For us to better see it better. Anyway, so alignment takes a lot of time. That's why technicians go out.
我知道怎么搞了，
Customers to
你点一下吧。打了没？
vertical alignment.
打了没？
The second part.
没有，那就打吧。
Part is,
在这种颜色上面看得清楚。
oh yes, this color will definitely show the. All right. Now it's the horizontal line.
As we said, we will not tell you which number is correct, but can only show you the principles how to do it. Oh, this one is totally disaster. Even harder
Harder to see. Yeah.
to see it.
Because this is.
That's why we need to use the film. It's print a little bit color and the print varnish.
Yeah, this is varnish and color. It's awesome. Some good cameras can see it. However, our phone cannot. With our phone, we cannot.
Actually, you can see a little bit.
Yeah, you can see the varnish and the color.
You can see the varnish and the color.
Color and white or white varnish. White or varnish. So we adjust it the same thing. For example.
其实还有一个更好的方法是胶水。
It's a little
没事没事，就搞这个吧。
The most straight one is -1, and you just use
不管它了，就搞这个了。
this kind of the logic.
It, as we said, it's very hard to show in the
Camera.
Yes, very hard to show in the camera. But I've told you the principles about how to do it. If you still don't know, contact with me because for the parameter and for the printing out the lines, you need to check it by yourself. It's very hard for me to show you by the camera. You can see some lines. It's hardly to show you all at one time. It's also the same. It will print out two set of the lines. One is the color one is the varnish one. You need to choose the parameter for which the color lines match with the varnish lines exactly correct. So you can choose this parameter. For example, the parameter is -5, then you just adjust the -5. If the parameter is 6, 5, you just add 6 or 5.
Yes, that's the logic and principle.
And then let's go to the next one. 没办法，人这样。
They would do the color white now.
有啊。
This is me and again, we are doing live stream about how to do alignments. If you guys have any questions, leave a message on the screen. We can see it. We can talk with you. Okay?
你的咋听？你的。
Any questions? Oh, you have questions. Okay, now. How more fish selling from Saudi Arabia? Your voice is lost. Oh. You have a question. Yeah. Let's chat with you. Let's talk to you.
Hi, Moby. Can you hear me now?
Oh, your client. I got it.
很多年前别人卖过去，正做了个点毛卖过去的。
这里也知道。
那你有什么办法？他说他要卖，我就当知道那种。
Okay.
Oh, now let's go to the next one. Next one should be the white color alignment on the vertical direction. 其实还有个更好的方法做测试，真的还有个更好的方法做测试。有啊，
玻璃啊，
不是。
啊
this one is more better to see.
Yeah,
this one is very clear to see.
This is better.
不是。Actually, this is the same. The principle is the same. You see, this one print out two color sheet, 2 lines of the color sheet. One is the color one is the white one. You see, these 2 lines come across each other. We need to choose the parameter for which the color part and the white part come across each other and match with each other. For example, for this one, we can zero parameter 1's part. The parameter it's okay, then just adjust -1 line. If the 6 is okay, just add a 6 on your on the parameter. Okay, I will show you how to change it. It's very easy. You see, just to change it here for all the parameters. You just change it here. As we say, if the -9 is okay, then you see -1 -9 is totally -10, right? Then you press save, and then it receives the parameter. Of course, on our printer, -1 is it's correct, so I will not change it.
Yep.
Let's go to the next one. Next one is the color varnish alignment on the vertical direction. This one, WVV distance. This means to adjust the color and the varnish on the vertical direction. Let's just print these buttons. It will, and the printer will print the alignment.那这些人都对这种东西没兴趣的了。
刚才你说那个是你客户吗？
嗯，
你说那个
不是我客户。
哦，算了。
Actually, it's the same. For the color and the white, they will print one line color and one line white one for the. And for the varnish and white, they will print out one line varnish and one line white. But the problem is for the varnish, it's like water. We cannot see it. Actually, you see the shadow part. The shadow part is the color one. Sorry, the shadow part is the varnish. This is the white and this is the varnish. And the white and varnish come across each other. You, of course, the same. You choose the part which color and the varnish come across together, come across each other, and match with either, and choose its parameter. Here on our machine, of course, the zero part is okay because we have already done the alignment for our printer. But for yours, no matter which one, maybe the -9, maybe the 7, you just adjust the parameters accordingly. If you have any question, just please feel free to ask me.
Yeah, there's some more. You see?
I didn't see. Because my voice is okay now. For all the elements, for the color, white varnish on the vertical, on the horizontal direction, we have all done the alignment for them. But now, I'm going to show you this one, the high direction alignment. When we do the high direction, or when we need to do the, you see here, when we need to do the bi-direction printing, which means to print on both sides. When the print head go out, it will print, and when it come back, it will print as well. Which means print 2 times, right?
Yeah.
And
then we need to do this alignment.
Yes, we choose the bi-direction here. As for the speed, choose to low. And when we do this setup, because this setup will help you just to have more speed, yeah. almost twice.
Exactly.
Then we need to do this one.
We do this high alignment. Yes.
Yes. But there's one point. When you do the high direction, you need to set up the print head first. Set up no matter when you need to print which products. You print on the paper or you print on the box. We should be totally different, right?
Yeah.
Then we need to put the box on the table and set up the print height and do the alignment again. And do the high direction again, and don't change the height once you finish the alignment, because once you change the height, you need to do the alignment again, or your printing will has problem. Let's do it now.
Okay, I need to lower the cart. I move the cart a little bit up.
No problem. We just set up the print height now.
measure. We don't use this number much because this number sometimes you think wherever you position right now will be as 0. Okay, so look.
Just remember 2 to 3 millimeters of the print height.
Imagine a point putting here. Okay, nice. Push press it. Now you can print.
As for the height here, now is 0 millimeter. This one has no meaning, has no meaning to us. It has the meaning to the designer of the machine of the machine, but it has no meaning to us because no matter 0 or 10 doesn't mean it's the print height.
Yeah, the real height.
So let's print the height direction alignment now.
Okay.
打哪里去了
Should be around here. Take a look.
Yes. It's here. It's just like when you it's just like when you align the color white or at the varnish on the horizontal direction. It will print out some lines, and then you need to check the lines that it match with each other and choose its parameter.
It's really hard to see, but with certain reflection, then you can see.
等等，一个个手机照一下。You see it print out some lines. As we said, you need to check carefully and choose the lines which the upper one and match with the downside one and choose its parameter and adjust accordingly. It's a little bit hard to see by camera, but you will be able to see on site.
Yep.
If you if you cannot see it on the transparent film, you can print on the white paper. Print on the white paper, you will be able to see.
Or you can print it on a dark paper because.
No. It's just the black. It's just black color. It's just black color. So that you need to print on the white paper.
So hard to see.
That's why we said that we need to prepare the transparent films and the white paper. If you cannot see it on the transparent film, then you print on the white paper. But if you cannot see on the white paper, you print on the transparent film.
Yeah. Look at this.
我们帮忙拿着一下。If we still have any question,
we got someone I like here. Thanks. You're welcome, man.
I'm going to show you the last part one. Let's move the table front side now. Let's finish the last part. 哎，这个好像也可以有。
You want to save it?
可以。
Let's see the last part. I think you should tape it.
可以的，没错。
Just to be careful.
Don't worry about it.
Alright.
没事。没事。稍微压一下这里吧。可以了。最后一项了，最后一项。Now it's the last part, the left and the right and the left align. These two This is used to adjust the color to color, which means we need to, for example, if we need to print the black one, we need to let the black inks match with the black inks, just to match the color to color. If you don't understand what's the use of them, just do it.
Yeah. Once you do it, you understand. Yeah, because we print it out.
Just do what we told you, and it will help you to
You see, you have
finish
six,
all.
you have 6 colors coming out. Because,
This one is very good to see.
yeah, because they're all color. Of course. You can see 6 lines out now. Black is the base, and now we need to check the channel.
Yeah. And going to print the right one as well, right alignment as well.
You don't have enough space, man.
No problem, no problem.
Your paper is not wide enough. See? Hopefully, let's see. Number 3210. It will print on the platform. Yeah.
It doesn't matter. I just show you how to do it. I just and today our alignment just today our live stream just to show you how to do it, but not tell the customer which parameter to use.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go to the. It's very easy to see. You see, for the left, no matter for the left or right line, we have the channel 1, channel 3, channel 5. You guys still remember? The first one, channel 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, is for the left line. And this one for the right line. It's all the same. You see, for the channel 5, for this, for example, for the maybe we use the channel 3, for example. It's very easy to see, right? It's the red color. Channel 3 here. It's all like the alignment we did before. Before it just print out what? Print out the color, print out the white, and print out the varnish. But it's total disaster, because sometimes we cannot see the color, sometimes we cannot see the white. Sometimes we cannot see the varnish, because the color just printed out the black. When it print the black, we cannot see on the transparent film. But when it print on the white, no matter which one. For example, for the channel 3, it's for the cyan and the magenta, and for the yellow. For example, for this one, we need to let the magenta color to match with the magenta color lines to match with the black color lines.
Yes.
You see, and let's see which one matches better. Which one is the best one?
I think the 0 match better.
Of course, this one. Why this one? Because we have already do the alignment, of course.
So you don't need to do anything on here, yeah.
Yes, but we're gonna need to show you which one is the best one. You see, here is this one is the best one. It's very easy to see. And of course, when the customer do the alignment by themselves, for this left and the right alignments, they were very easy to see by themselves as well. So it's 0. Now the parameter is -1. No need to adjust it. If this one is the best one, that's, for example, of course it's not, but that's usually as the example. It's -5. Then the parameter should be -6.
Yep.
Now it's -1, and the -5 parameter is okay. So it's now should be -6.
Yep.
If we want to change it, just do it. Sorry, wait.
-6.
-6 and press save. It will be changed. Let's change it back.
Yeah, just like that, easy.
It's very easy for the left and the right alignment.
Yeah, it's most easy.
You guys still have any question?
No.
If no, we have finished our live stream today about alignment for this 0609 P3 UV printer.
Awesome. Well, I guess another one came in. Another friend came in. You want to check?
Okay, if you guys have any question, I will finish today's live stream, and you guys can contact with any of us, any of the Nokai sales or engineer about what you want to see next time. Just connect with us, and we will show you on next live stream, because we have 2 live streams each week, right? Okay, if you guys don't have any questions, see you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.